Cases of gender-based violence worsened during lockdown, with more than 1,000 cases being reported between the months of March and July 2020. For instance, Ministry of Health recorded 5,000 cases of sexual violence in 2020 alone, with social justice centers receiving 1,600 cases. It is also reported that 23.6% of Kenyans witnessed domestic violence. According to social justice advocate Wilfred Olal, cases of sodomy also increased during this time.
Men are beginning to come out saying, this happened to me. Even domestic violence was very high, and men started reporting these cases. Even us, it happens to us. The challenge is when they go to police stations, the police laugh at them. When mwanaume unatuanga na bibi, and when they are told to go back to follow up the cases, they don't go because of stigma.
Government data shows that 45% of women and girls aged 15 to 49 have experienced physical violence and 14% have experienced sexual violence. Many cases are not reported to the authorities and few victims get justice or receive medical care.
Ukipeleka hiyo case pale police station, unapata kwa ile gender desk yetu inakuanga tu na polisi mmoja mwanamke. Ule polisi kama hayuko, hiyo kesi yako itangojea mpaka siku zile atakuja, which is not healthy in our community.
Most of the time, cases of sexual gender-based violence happen within such circles, and the perpetrators are usually people we know. Not all the time, but usually people we know. So when it comes to reporting and prosecuting sexual and gender-based violence, it becomes hard for that reason, because these are people who are tied to us in one way or another.
According to Norway's Deputy Ambassador Stian Christensen, the collaboration with Katiba Institute aims at helping combat the gender-based pandemic that is a global war.
It is something that hampers the development of society, hampers the possibility for the individual to realize his or her possibilities, and for that reason impacts dramatically the societies. Lots of people who are affected by this will never be able to take part as good as they could in society if they had been without it.
Former prosecutor Christine Koge, who is also Katiba Institute Executive Director, notes that incest is the most reported cases of gender-based violence cases.
I think what we need to first fight is this normalization of violence within our families and within our communities. We need to start with a point of everybody is entitled to live in dignity. Our constitution actually guarantees freedom from harm, either by private individuals or from state agencies.
For now, many Kenyans in informal settlements hope that this initiative will give a voice to the voiceless.
Kuna ule mtu akienda pale kwa police station, unaenda unakuwa intimidated hapo. Sasa kama kuna mahali kama hapa mahali unaweza refer mtu, enda mahali fulani hapa Dandora Justice Community Center, uende ushughulikiwe kesi yako pale, ndio wale waweze kufuatilia. Unaona hata watakutafutia labda hata wakili, ambao sisi wenyewe tuwezi pata ile pesa ya kumlipa. So hao watatushughulikia. Maneno ya online sisi hatujui. Sasa kwa hivyo hao ndio watajua maneno ya online, at least waweze kutusuluhishia hizi kesi.
Down with sexual violence, down.
Marianne Mole for K24 Evening Edition.